We've sort of identified what makes a healthy relationship, what are the challenges for modern couples, and now it's like, okay, here's 4 practical tools. Here's things that you can start today, tonight, that are going to have an impact on your relationship. Number 1, Tarah?
Just creating rituals of connection. Checking in, right? We have all of our couples that start our relationship renovation model. You got to start a check-in process, right? Like how are you, so you guys know each other's emotional landscapes. Checking in or date nights, right? Just having like every Saturday, EJ and I know we will have at least 1 to 2 hours. Kids are doing whatever, but we're going to make sure we're playing Yahtzee in front of the fire, making our popcorn, watching a movie, whatever it is. We know that will happen every single week unless I'm out of town or somebody's sick.
Number 2, second practical tool is gratitude.
Practicing.
I mean, gratitude is the fuel that keeps your relationship going, is looking for the things that your partner does that you appreciate and looking them in the eyes and telling them, thank you, Tarah. I love how you bring fun and playfulness into our life, into our relationship.
And thank you, EJ. I love how you bring your wisdom. You're just a wise soul and groundedness to our family. We try to do our—
That feels good. I love that.
Gratitudes every morning. And our kids also get to see it and witness it, which is— I feel like that's really powerful, the power of gratitude, especially with kids and how entitled our kids can feel at times.
And this next one is an important one. It's creating a balance between independence. I do my own things that make me feel good and that help me connect with my sense of self, which I think Tarah likes. And then also interdependence, togetherness, that we have to maintain healthy individuality, but also work on our togetherness.
Like tonight, I have my 4:30 yoga with my 2 girlfriends. Love it. It's my time. It fuels me. It feels like, oh, I am me without the children and EJ and our business. I am just in a hot yoga room and it feels so good. I'm sure you feel that way when you're playing pickleball, though you have not had a ton of time to do that. But just that individual time, independent time, and that together time, it just creates a nice balance, right? And a sense of like, I'm not losing who I am. Like I am still me, and we respect each other and support each other in doing our outside activities. We know that like refuel us after life can get in the way.
All right. So recapping really quick on the practical tools to have that amazing relationship in this fast-paced modern world. 1, establishing rituals of connection that you're consistent with. 2, practicing gratitude, telling one another what you appreciate about the other person. 3rd was balancing independence and interdependence. And the last is creating or revisiting the shared goals that you have together.
Short-term and long-term. I like both. Like the way we do it is we have like a little vision board on our kitchen with our 6 words. So I get to see it every day. Like today, I just looked at it. I've got my pictures of like yoga, and I've got a picture of like a house on a cliff in Maine looking over the ocean. That's long-term, right? That's one day. But it's like every day I get to see this vision board and our 6 words. And I'm like, oh yeah, we're doing this together. Like this will happen. Not this could happen. This will happen. And it's just having that, creating that shared, again, goals or vision board together. It feels inspiring, uplifting. Even when you're in the like darkness of dark, you can look at something and be like, okay, like that's still in my heart's desire. It might be a long way away right now, but like that's something I'm trying to achieve for.